Hey, I'm Ellie. I'm an account manager at Vanson Bourne and I want to tell you about our data link. It's the first thing our clients get when fieldwork finishes, and it shows you all of the answers from a survey laid out in tables. It's really easy to use and is a great way to see all of the data from a project before we get cracking on things like presentations and white papers. We think it works really well, so shall we have a look? When you're logged in, you see one question at a time, so you can really get your teeth into the meaning behind what's in front of you. It also makes things a little bit easier to digest too. So much data comes out of a project, it's easy to get overwhelmed sometimes. As soon as you're ready to see another question, you can either run through them in order using the arrows, or if you're really keen to see a question you think you'll get some really juicy headlines from, you can choose it from the drop-down list. It's also really easy to see how different people answered each question, so you can get even more meaning from the data. Looking at this, we can see how people answered depending on what country they're based in, sector they work in, or how big their organisation is. We can capture a lot of information in our surveys, so if there are other cuts of the data you're interested in seeing, we can just add them in. It really just depends on what works best for you. Even though everything is laid out really well, there's still a lot of data to look through, so don't worry, your project manager will talk to you about the key themes and findings in the data. We just wouldn't want to tell you what the most important stats are without you being able to see for yourself. And we know also that some clients want to dig into the findings even more than looking at the link. So if you're keen to do this, run some pivot tables or calculations, the entire set of questions can be downloaded to Excel. Just click this button and you're good to go. While we're on the subject of keeping things quick and simple, let's have a chat about our amazing interim link. It's the same as our data link, but clients can see it before the interviews have all finished. We know our clients are busy people that need to plan ahead and work quickly, so as soon as we're comfortable that we have enough data for the findings to be stable, they can start building the story and content. It's awesome. So that was just a really quick run through, but there's a load more information on our website, including the example we've just been through. And of course, if you have any questions or think it could work well for you, do just give us a shout. You know where we are. So thanks very much for watching, and hopefully we will hear from you.